Hi there everyone, my name is Nin Van Boy and I will be doing the behind the scenes for What's That Sound by Rowan Loveland. And it is for the film competition called My RØDE Reel. So let's check it out.
Hold on, wait.
Welcome to What's That Sound?
Is naturally staring right now.
This is What's That Sound? This has all happened within 2 weeks. Like, we've suddenly got actors, we've got the location, we've got everything really fast, and it's amazing how quick you can do stuff if you know the right people and everyone works together pretty well. So we should see how it goes.
For the moment, it's all going really well. Everyone's all dressed up, looking good.
I'm Max and I'll be playing the tall thug.
I'm Ollie and I'll be playing the leader, Pseudonymous.
And I'm Ben, I'm playing the sexy master. So look out for me.
Good morning, my name is Ron Arthurs. I'm the host of What's That Sound? I get to stand up here in this rather garish outfit with the blue trousers as well. There you go, the whole thing. What an ensemble. And I get to introduce the show and host the show until those guys come in.
Don't anyone move! Keep those cameras rolling!
My name is Hannah. I don't have a character name, but I am the floor manager.
I'm playing Tom, one of the
contestant.
contestants, yeah.
I'm Leah, I'm playing the bubbly, energetic Tiffany.
I'm Neve and I play a nerd, which is
A boring nerd.
a boring
apparently.
nerd, so all the better.
You smash it, mate.
So Michael, how do you get the role of like the studio cleaner?
You work hard, and after a few years, you get given a broom, and then you start sweeping, and that's basically all you do for the rest of your life.
Are you an expert now?
Oh hell yeah! I'm Michael, and I'm the DOP, so I'm camera op, lighting and stuff like that. So yeah. All right, so this morning we started at 6 a.m. So we got in and we basically set up the whole set, the lights and stuff like that. So because it was basically, we had to de-rig the lights and rig it up again. So that was fun, doing lights half dead.
Oh hi, I didn't see you there. My name's Adrian and I'm the sound guy.
What sort of equipment will you be using today, Adrian?
Definitely be using Rode equipment because that's my favourite.
And what sort of Rode version do you have?
Serial, I've got just over here you'll see the Rode boom pole and a Rode NTG3. Very good shotgun microphone, one of the best in the industry. Industry standard right there. That's what I've got for Rode gear. I think you've got a Rode mic up on your camera. This is a Rode NTG3 with a bit of a wind cover. This here is the SM4 shock mount, also by Rode. And this beast here, I'm going to go long down shot. This is the Rode boom pole.
Oh yeah. In this? No.
No?
Don't think so.
So what sort of stuff you just brought us?
So I just brought you my shoulder rig. I've got some guns.
Guns?
Guns.
Some guns.
And then in here, I don't really have any more taper space to do.
I'm Chanel and I'm doing a little bit of everything today. I did some production design, been doing some makeup and hair and costume, and just hopefully assisting with camera.
Okay, my name's Bridget and I study film at Curtin University in my 3rd year. Basic role today is to just do anything they want me to do. So general handyman, gaffer, runner, driver, all of those things come under it.
Action.
Congratulations! You are now the proud owner of a hot pink moped!
Thank you so much. I'd like to thank my mum,
my dad, the guys at McDonald's, you guys, hey Carl, and also love playing you guys.
That's a wrap.